The Lumark CrossTour LED wall pack and floodlight series from Cooper Lighting is the industry's first universal all-in-one outdoor luminaire. CrossTour LED mounts virtually anywhere, including wall mount, post or bollard, inverted, site lighting, stairway, or as a floodlight. The eye-catching, low-profile design is ideal for retrofit or new applications. The trend-setting form matches seamlessly into a wide variety of architectural, commercial, institutional, and industrial spaces. Select from 10, 20, 30, 50, or 85 watt models. CrossTour LED is engineered to install in 3 easy steps. The universal knuckle or trunnion floodlight kit for 10, 20, and 30 watt models transforms CrossTour into a ground-level or wall-mounted floodlight. Installer safety is ensured with the built-in secure lock hinge, making connections a snap. Designed to withstand extreme conditions while saving up to 85% on annual energy and maintenance costs, CrossTour LED is backed by a 5-year limited warranty. CrossTour LED wall pack and floodlight are the absolute best choice for outdoor illumination.